Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Tesla Roadster with an easy guide. Let's start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, sketch a long, low rectangle to represent the main body of the car. Then, place a slightly smaller, rounded rectangle on top for the passenger cabin. This initial step establishes the sleek, elongated profile of the Roadster, setting the stage for your detailed drawing. Now, let's bring the Roadster to life by adding its essential features. Carefully draw 4 perfectly circular wheels, ensuring 2 are clearly visible on each side of the body. Next, define the car's face and rear by sketching the sleek, narrow headlights and taillights. Don't forget to add the small but important side mirrors and the subtle lines indicating the doors. With the basic elements in place, it's time to refine the Roadster's iconic contours. Gently smooth out all your initial sketch lines, transforming them into fluid, continuous curves. Pay close attention to the aerodynamic flow of the hood and the elegant slope of the roofline. Also, add subtle, graceful curves to the wheel arches, giving them a more natural and integrated appearance. For our final slide, let's add those crucial finishing touches. Sketch in the windshield and side windows, giving a glimpse into the car's interior. Now, apply some light shading to various parts of the body, especially under the car and around the wheels, to create a sense of depth and three-dimensional form. Finally, use slightly darker lines to emphasize key edges and add contrast, making your Roadster drawing truly pop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.